Mr. Hernandez. Today, we'll be learning about the difference between the Bronsted lowry acids and the Bronsted lowry bases. The Bronsted lowry acids, they release hydrogen ions, while the Bronsted lowry bases accepts the hydrogen ions. Okay, now class, does anyone know what an acid conjugate base and what a base conjugate acid pair is?
I can. An example I can provide is NH4 plus H2O turns to NH3 plus H3O, where NH4 is the acid that releases the H plus ion to water as the base. NH3 is the conjugate base to NH4 acid, and H3O is the conjugate acid to H2O.
Here's our example right there. The NH4 plus H2O. Why is it blurry? Okay, there you go. Right there. See? Alright, thank you.
How do you know what acid and base concentration is?
The acid-base concentration is how many hydrogen ions are in a solution.
How can you measure the concentration?
You can measure the concentration by using the pH scale.
Go. Oh. What does acid strength mean?
Okay, is this part right here?
Shit, man, I thought you were going.
What does acid strength mean?
Alright, Jose. The acid base strength refers to the ability or tendency to lose a proton, which is an H plus ion, and a strong acid or base that completely ionizes or dissociates in a solution.
How can you determine if an acid or base has a lot of strength, teacher?
One way you can find out is if you use the equation, Jose.
So yeah, Jose, here's the equation right here that you can use to find out the strength of the acid or base. You see that right there? Yeah.
Today we'll be teaching you a new lesson, and I will be explaining about pH of an acid or base. Does anyone have any idea what pH measures? Jose.
pH is the measure of the acidity and the basicity of the solution.
Good, Jose. In the pH scale, there are 14 numbers, where 1 is the strongest acid, and where 6 is the weakest acid, and then 7 is neutral. And then for base, 8 is the weakest base, and 14 is the strongest base. Great job, class. Good job, Jose.
What is an indicator color change?
Indicators are substances that change color due to changes in pH. Jose.
What does it mean to neutralize an acid?
A neutralization reaction is when you combine an acid and a base that react to form water and salt. You combine H plus ions and OH ions to form water.
How do I do a neutralization reaction?
Let's go, Jose. I'll teach you right now.
So first step you do is you obtain a dry 200 milliliter beaker and a graduated cylinder. So first you pour the unknown concentration HCl into the graduated cylinder, and then from that you pour it into the beaker. Go. Next, you add 3 to 4 drops of your titration. The titration we chose was phenol red, and we dropped it into the beaker. So now we make sure that our barrier is full with 0.10 molar of NaOH. So now we're going to add NaOH in 2.0 milliliters intervals and swirl the beaker and look for the color change. And if the color does not change at all, keep adding the NaOH in 2.0 milliliters intervals. Once the color change occurs, we're going to record the volume of the NaOH added to the acid, and that will be our endpoint. And we'll be right back and we'll show you guys our end results. Here is our starting color before the acid changes colors. This was our final result color right here. Hello class.
Hello.
So today I'll be teaching you how to find the concentration of the reaction that we did. So you see here MA times VA equals MV times VB. M is the molarity and V is the volume. A is the acid and B is the base. We fill out our missing the information that we already have. You see there 25 milliliters of NaOH that was in the beaker, 0.10 molarity that was in the Barrett, and 24 milliliters that made the neutralization reaction to occur. We simplify those two, we get 2.4. We divide 25 milliliters on both sides since that has no information yet, MA. And once we do that, we get that MA equals 0.096, which is a low concentration. And that's what you get for MA, 0.096. And that is how you find the concentration of an acid.
Tell me what a strong acid and a weak acid is.
Yes, Jose. A strong acid is 1, which is concentrated sulfuric acid. And the weakest acid will be a 6, which is milk. Can you show?
So what is the weakest base and what is the strongest base?
The weakest base would be seawater, and the strongest base would be liquid drain cleaner, Jose. Where water is neutral, that is a pH.